Meet Oliver, a charming duckbill platypus who lived by the river. With his webbed feet and beaver-like tail, he was quite unique among all the animals in the forest. One sunny morning, Oliver decided to explore the world beyond his home. He packed his little backpack with treats and set off on his adventure. As he journeyed, he met a scared little bird who had lost her way. "I can't find my nest," she cried. "Don't worry, dear bird," said Oliver, "I'll help you find it." Together, they searched high and low, asking every creature they met. Soon, they found the bird's nest in a tall, old oak tree. The bird was overjoyed, and she thanked Oliver for his help. Oliver continued his journey, meeting many other lost animals along the way. He helped each one find their way home, showing kindness and compassion. Word of Oliver's friendly deeds spread throughout the forest. Animals began to look out for him, and they would often help him when he needed it too. One day, Oliver noticed a small, injured creature by the river. It was a baby possum who had fallen from a tree. Oliver carefully picked up the possum and carried him to a kind nurse bat who took care of him. The forest was a better place with Oliver in it. He reminded everyone that no matter how different we may seem, we all have the power to help each other. As night fell, Oliver returned home, tired but happy. He had learned that being kind and helping others was the best way to make new friends. Oliver the duckbill platypus became a beloved figure in the forest, and his friends would often gather to hear his stories of adventure and kindness. And every night, as he drifted off to sleep, he would dream of the many adventures that awaited him tomorrow.